Now I am going to discuss the concept of electric circuit. An electric circuit is a complete circuit through which the current can flow. It has various components, such as we can have a cell. Cell is denoted with a positive terminal and a negative terminal, and if we have more than one cell, that means it is a combination of two cells. It is known as a battery. Then we have a load. Load can be a bulb, a fan, or anything that uses electricity. That means all the instruments that we use in our day-to-day life where electricity is used are considered as load. Then we have a switch. A switch can be shown like this with a dot. This is a closed switch. Or sometimes it is shown like this. Both are the symbols for the closed switch, and in the case of open switch, the symbol is like this, or we can have just a circle with no dot. It is an open switch. So these are the various components. Then we have electric wire. The wires are generally made of copper, through which the electricity can flow. Now if we want to draw a circuit, we will have a cell, then we will have a switch, we have a load. So it completes the circuit. So this is a cell, this is a switch, this is a load, and these are the wires. Now we see that the switch is an open switch. That means no current will flow. Now if we draw this circuit like this, we have a switch, then we have a load. If this is the situation, we say it is a closed circuit. Or we can say current will flow. This is an open circuit. This is a closed circuit. So when a circuit is an open circuit, the current will not flow, and when the circuit is a closed circuit, the current will flow. When we place a switch with a dot in the center, it is a closed switch. When the switch is closed, that means in the normal day-to-day life, when we switch on the electric fan or a bulb, in that situation the switch is said to be closed, or we can say it is a closed circuit. And when there is no dot in the switch, that means it is the off state of the switch, and in this case no current is flowing, so this is an open circuit. So we can say in an open circuit no current will flow, but in a closed circuit the current will flow from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. This is the conventional direction of the current. That means the current flows from the positive terminal to the negative terminal, and while it starts from the positive terminal, it goes through the circuit. In between, it passes through the load, and whatever the operations it has to perform. Suppose it has to suppose the load can be a fridge, a TV, a fan, a bulb, anything, and then the circuit will come back, the current will flow back to the negative terminal, and it will complete the circuit. So in the closed circuit the current flows, but in the open circuit no current flows. So this is how we can define the circuit and the various components. The various components are cell, battery, load, switch, and connecting wires.